If you're going downhill, just leave the engine off and coast. That's a nice. Well, today promises to be just another great day. We are we hit that month where it rained almost every day, and we're done with that rain, I hope. Yesterday we had a really nice ride with Vlad and his friend with those Aprilas, and got to meet up with Vince, and we rode with Luciano last week. You don't know how the day is going to play out, because the first thing we got to do this morning, Karen, of course, this is the part of the year, and we're going to ride this guy next week for sure. What's going to happen? I'm getting sick. Can you imagine? You know, what's really going to happen here that I'm really excited about is every day now, Karen is harvesting from our garden, and we're eating salad from our garden, grown from seeds. That's really cool. Now, it's unexpected to me that since Nanda Navola gave us that first zinnia plant, how that has grown to be a hobby. Now, actually, I wound up yesterday giving the little seedling pots that are now about this big to a lot of our neighbors. And we got the neighborhood is starting to get full of zinnias too. So maybe we can go in the zinnia business and buy a new Ducati or something. But anyway, we have just had the last couple days, the weather. Now, I know what's happening. We're entering the riding season. Actually, maybe a couple of weeks we'll be in a real riding season. But I ordered some new riding gear for the summer. My summer riding gear is really in rough shape. I don't know if I'm going to, usually when I get it, I buy a size too big or too small, and I got to return it and get another one. So, you know, I'm never quite sure about this riding gear, how they put the size on it. Anyway, beside the point. I don't want to belabor the point. I have a farm to get rid of. Take care of. Get rid of would be the wrong word. And some of the things that, well, harvesting these vegetables, always a lot of fun. Feeding the barnyard animals. And then, of course, the biggest thing, get the bike ready for another nice ride. Okay, the bike is pre-flighted and everything is checking out nice. The bike is just running great. This has been such a good bike, such a good restoration. Every time I ride the bike, I think all of that time was well spent. So how much are you harvesting here, my love? Wow.
A lot.
A lot. We're ready. We can open up a grocery store here this morning. Eating our own fresh vegetables, grown from seeds. Now once the fish are fed and the birds are fed and the flowers are watered, we'll be ready to get on the open road. Boy, a farmer's work is just never done. It's just never-ending amount of watering and weeding and... Now every time we water these, they look like they're an inch or two taller. We have one more cup of coffee and a farmer will be ready to get off the tractor and on the motorcycle. Always hungry. Amazing. They're just like me. Oh, it's finally time to go. Time to go. What a day this looks like it's going to be. Oh, I see all the superstars are here this morning with their new bikes. Oh my God. What a day this is going to be. Look, this is what poverty is like when you get old. When you don't invest well in a stock plan, you wind up at Perry's at 80 years old. If you make it to 80.
I had my yellow one totally redone. I had a full service, new chain.
A new chain?
New chain.
My God.
Pokey can't critique me anymore. So
Did you see that gas tank Pokey has?
No.
That BMW? Oh man. Pokey spent some big bucks on that.
You know,
He had a choice. He was going to have Pete was going to paint it.
You painted it?
Pete was going to paint it, but then he went with an expert.
I sold my
You made a good choice.
I sold my R80.
Really?
Yeah, I sold my Kawasaki.
What are you doing? What are you flipping bikes like Luciano now?
You know, I crashed that Honda, that deer hit me.
Oh.
Is it on the other side of the river? Don't go to
What year's your Kawasaki?
Oh, my wife would kill for those boots. Have a good ride. If you're going downhill, just leave the engine off and coast. That's a nice.
Oh yeah. Set it on the tank. Okay.
Okay, Dale, big wheelie. Now Dale will do a burnout. He's not subject to the rules of gravity here. today, you can see the breeze blowing up here. Didn't spoil a ride at all. And we got to see all our friends up at Rockwell, had a nice meetup. And everybody's still socially distancing and then whatever. But as always, 750 always delivers a fun day. I don't know what to say. I love all my children. I guess that's fair. Anyway, hope you did enjoy the video, and I do not want to forget to thank the healthcare heroes that make this possible for us to at least be out on the open road while we're going through this coronavirus time. I don't know when this is going to end. Anyway, I hope you did enjoy the video, and thanks for watching.